This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at what is this vineyard, the Clos Saint Urbain, and how do you pronounce it the correct way with the typical French pronunciation. So first off, the Clos Saint Urbain is one of the most prestigious, illustrious and famous vineyards in the whole of Alsace wine region of France. This is a walled vineyard, a Grand Cru vineyard, meaning that it's in the top and producing some of the best wines in this area in southern Alsace. In this case, this is a monopole vineyard, meaning that it belongs to one single winery. This winery being, in this instance, the Domaine Zind Humbrecht, one of the most famous producers of wines from Alsace. Clos Saint Urbain makes some wines, Grand Cru wines of Pinot Gris, Riesling and Gewürztraminer. The Clos Saint Urbain is located in the village of Thann. So how do you go about pronouncing Clos Saint Urbain? Well, I've just said it a few times, Clos. Note that the S at Clos is silent in French. Do not say Clos. Then the T at Saint in French is normally silent, but because it is followed here in this case by a name starting with a vowel, Urbain, well, when you link up the two, when you pronounce the two words, you have to link them up with what we call a liaison. Therefore, you have to pronounce the T. So, Clos Saint Urbain. Clos Saint Urbain. Clos Saint Urbain. It'd be okay in English to say Clos Saint Urbain. Clos Saint Urbain. Clos Saint Urbain. Clos Saint Urbain. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work. Here are some more videos if you like learning more about your wines. I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye.